Women in science is quite important. We have to remember that half the population are women. We have to make sure the research that we're doing is not only biased towards one gender. We have seen in the past several research studies that have been done on only men and discovering later that women don't react the same way because of different hormones, different physiology. And if we look at all the heart research, it was for men for many, many years, and realizing after a while that we were 40 years behind in terms of research for women. So that shows that if you don't have a team that is diversified, you're not going to get the right information. Why women? But women also understand better certain aspects of science, and especially when we look at society, they have the capacity to see things differently in many cases than men. So that's the reason, having a better perspective. It's the same, in fact, with diversity in general. More you have different races, cultures, better it is in terms that you're more inclusive in your research, you're more inclusive in what's happening in the real life. Women tend to integrate differently. If I look at ecosystem, for example, we tend to be able to put the different parts together in a different way. Farmers will tend to think about the crop only instead of looking at the full ecosystem. So they may put herbicide around young apple trees thinking, oh, that means no competition. But they forget that no vegetation means a higher level of evapotranspiration, so less water availability for the plant. So these are the type of things that if you don't look at the full holistic way of the ecosystem, you're missing sometimes the points. You're missing what is really the factors that are affecting the plant. When you have women, you often have more complement in terms of information. You also can bring different perspective that can help better view, and sometimes in a more holistic view of a problem. And that brings the possibility to go further, bring new ideas as well.